How to turn on or turn off Allow Unverified Sources for Siri Event Suggestions Testing on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now from the main settings page, we then scroll down to the bottom and tap on Developer. Next, in here, we scroll down. So in here, we scroll down all the way down to the bottom and then tap on Allow Unverified Sources. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. Now, if you do not have the developer options, you can turn it on by going into Privacy and Security. Then we scroll down to the bottom and then tap on Developer Mode. In here, you can tap on the Developer Mode toggle button to switch it on. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.